end of the first day at an increasingly popular Dubai Airshow, which has seen a 10% rise in exhibitors since the last event in 2007. The show was today attended by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Mahoud, UAE Vice President and ruler of Dubai. The first order was from Ethiopian Airlines for 12 A350 extra wide-bodied aircraft in a deal worth $3 billion. Airbus has also announced the launch of its new large wingtip device, the Sharklet. Created for the A320 family aircraft, the Sharklet will reduce fuel burn by 3.5% on long-haul flights without any weight increase to the aircraft.